you this beautiful white dresser. This awesome product comes with 5 full-size drawers that are very spacious, guys, so you can place all of your clothes, your socks, your underwears in it. One of the greatest qualities is that the first drawer here comes with a hidden storage space that you can use to store your most valuable items, such as cash, jewelry, your passports, and more. It is super convenient and something I have never seen before in a dresser. Another great quality is that it comes with a built-in charging station. You're gonna find 3 AC power outlets and 2 USB Type-A ports that you can use to charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. It will be perfect for your laptops, tablets, mobile devices, or even to plug in a lamp. This product overall, it's made in really good quality material. The surface is super smooth and easy to clean, and it comes in the most gorgeous and modern white color. This is the perfect dresser for your bedroom, but guys, you can also use it in your living room or even in your entryway. It is the perfect way of saving space. I highly recommend it, and I really hope you will enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye.